Hi, I'm Dr. Jan Cobble of Masterpiece Smiles. Women frequently come in and say, I'm concerned because my husband snores badly and at times he doesn't even appear to be breathing. They are right to be concerned because this could indicate a serious problem such as sleep apnea. Happily, we have a take-home device that tells us the degree of severity of the problem and tells us whether or not a dental appliance could be the answer, or if their problem is more serious, we would refer them to a sleep lab. If you have further questions about this, please give us a call. We'll be happy to answer any questions.